Welcome back into the Benniebarre Pilates studio. Recently in the studio, I did a springboard class where we used single opposite side spring for all of our exercises, and it was tons of fun. Join me for the feet and strap series. We're going to be setting our long springs to a level 6, and of course, we're going to be using that opposite side spring in everything that we do.
Really love this series. I hope you do as well. Takes some time, it's a little lengthy when we take one leg at a time, but it's worth it. Okay, we're going to start with the left leg. So that right spring is going to come onto the left leg right here. So you might feel like you need to hold your hands up to the board, or it's going to be kind of lengthy. You can let them rest down at your side, because with this standing leg down, it really anchors us. So we're not like feeling like we're pulling in or scooting in towards that board as much as we would be with both feet in the straps. So we're going to start with like a passe developpe. When we've got it parallel, it's going to feel like a bicycle motion. So we're going to bend in, that foot coming to the inside of the knee, develop the leg out long and bring it down. So really, you could call this a parallel passe developpe or a bicycle right here. Keep that ankle in line with the hip. While the spring pulls it that way, one last one in this direction, and then we're going to reverse that. So we're going to lift straight, bend down, slide out. Two more. Good. Now we're going to be externally rotated coming out to the side. So we're going to passe, slide up so that knee is out, toe is to the inside of the knee here. Develop straight out, sweep the leg back in, slide up, develop out, sweep in. If you feel yourself kind of sliding or angling, you can press that right arm into the springboard if you need. Now we're going to reverse, lengthen out, bend, and slide the leg down. Two more. Right here, we're going to go into down up. So we're going to lift the legs straight up, parallel, and press down. Lift and reach, stretch up. One more. Now we're going to go into a single leg opening. So we're going to take that leg off to the side and then sweep back into center. One more. Good. And now into a single leg bend and stretch. So leg is parallel, bend the knee in, stretch and lengthen straight out. Point through the toe here. Now into a single leg frog. So we're going to externally rotate and flex the heel. So the knee is turned out, toes are turned out. We're going to press straight out here and pull back in, just like we were in a frog with both legs up, just a single leg. Good. Lengthen that leg straight up to 90 degrees. We're going to go into single leg hip circles, which is really going to be like a semicircle for us, starting with down. Take the legs straight down, open out, around, and back to the center. So it's really a semicircle that we're drawing here. Now we're going to reverse direction. Reach out to the side, circle around, take the legs straight up. Nice strong hips. One more. Now, just for good measure, we'll give ourselves some full circles. We're going to lengthen the leg out towards 45 degrees. We're going to kind of draw an oval right here. So we're not taking this full range circle. We're keeping it extended out and just kind of draw circles on the wall beyond us. Nice and tight. Reverse direction. Two and one. Whew, that's a lot of work for that one leg. Let's lengthen out. We're going to switch to the other side. All right, starting with that parallel positive elevate or bicycle motion through the feet, we're going to bend the leg in. Again, that foot is coming up about to the knee. Lengthen it up straight and press down. reverse direction. So we're lifting up, bending down, sliding out. Good. Now turning to the outside. So we're pulling up, knees open, lengthen out, sweep in. You might find that these are a little harder to control off here. Just slow down a little bit. Really develop out on that reach. And opposite way, lengthen out, bend in, slide down. Bring the leg back parallel. We're going to take the down up. So pressing down, lifting high in the air, knee faces you. Good. We're going next into the opening. So we're going to sweep out to the side and then sweep back in. Good. Bend and stretch. Leg comes parallel. Knee bends straight in, reaches out straight. Good. Bend back in. And we're going to go into that single leg frog. So that knee is going to open out. Heel faces in, toes face away. Flex through the heel. Press and bend. Good. Now lift that leg up, to 90 degrees. We're going to go into those single leg hip circles, press down, open out around, and back up to 90 degrees. Continue through there. One more this direction. And now let's reverse. Take out around, down, and straight up. Really try to stay in that line while the spring pulls in the opposite way. Good. Now angle that leg out and away towards 45 degrees. And we're going to draw those circles. Full circle here. Pause at the top, reverse direction. Good. Bend the leg in, remove the spring. Whoo! Enjoy that nice long length.
Thanks so much for joining me here in the Benniebarre Pilates studio for this interesting, different take on feet and straps on the springboard. If you love this and you want to try that entire class with me, you can find it on Patreon. Right now, there's a deal going where you can try out my springboard tier for a week for free. So go and check that out. There are so many springboard classes available. You could do a new and unique springboard full-length class every single day, joining me on my online studio on Patreon. And of course, you can find more Springboard Pilates content just like this here on my channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you want to see more videos like this one.